Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing your studies at your home. So, my dear students, as you know that as per the order of our Honorable DM, our school will be remain closed up to 20th of January. So, my dear students, as you know that this vacation is due to extreme cold and cold wind. So I am here with a explanation video of chapter number 17 from your social study book. So without wasting your time, take out your social study book and open chapter number 17, that is transport and communication. My dear students, before starting this question, I want to ask some question related to this topic. So students, how do you travel from home to school? Do you walk or do you take the school bus or a rickshaw? The students, you travel from your home to school by bus, rickshaw, cars. So there are different means of transport that we use in our daily lives. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about transport and communication. So let's start the chapter. Are you ready? Students, look here. Find out the name of 5 modes of transport and 5 means of communication hidden in the word search. So my dear students, you all are already familiar with modes of transport, means of communication. So here you have to find out the names of mode of transport and means of transport in the word search. Okay, students, this is a work for you. You have to do this. Okay, now students, let's start the chapter. The need for humans to move from the one place to another, to transport goods, to stay in touch with each other, and to share thoughts led to the invention of vehicles and various means of communication. Since then, humans have improved on the modes of transport and means of communication. So students, first of all, let's talk about means of transport. So students, means of transport are the ways by which we move people and goods from one place to another. Long ago, people did not have all these means of transport. They used to walk for long distances. Later, they learned to use animals and carry people and goods. Then the wheel was invented and wheel carts were made. These carts were drawn by animals. People built rafts and boats to travel across the rivers and the seas. However, all these means of transport were very slow. Over time, human beings started making faster and better means of transport like cars, buses, trains and planes. This could take us to far away places very quickly. Now let us read about some important means of transport. Students, here topic is given transportation of India. India has a well-developed system of road, rail, air and water transport. depending upon the distance and cost. Any one or a combination of different means of transport can be used to reach a particular destination. Students, here main modes of transport are given. So students, first, that is roadways. So let's discuss about it. India has a large network of roads. Agricultural products such as food grains, fruits, vegetables, industrial raw material and finished good largely depend on roadways to reach the required places. Roads help maintain connectivity between places. Sometimes bridges over rivers and tunnels through mountains have to be built to connect places. The government is taking various steps to increase the road connectivity and to provide improved roads. The roads in the villages are usually unmetalled, called kacha roads. The roads in towns and cities are metalled, called the Pakka roads. Roads that connect important towns and cities are called highways, and highways are of two kinds. So my dear students, the form of transport that move on land such as buses, cars, scooters and trains, they are called land transport. Students, India has a large network of roads, and like the agricultural products such as food grains, fruits, all raw material and finished goods are largely depend on roadways because they have to reach the required place at proper time, and road help to maintain the connectivity between places, and sometimes there are bridges over river and tunnels through mountains. So these are built to connect places, and our government is also taking a various step to increase the road connectivity and to provide improved roads. Students, road that connect important towns and cities are called highways, and highways are of two kinds. Let's discuss about it. National highways. National highways connect capitals and other important cities in the country. They are constructed and maintained by the central government. The Golden Quadrilateral is an express highway project that connects Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. State highways are roads that connect important towns and cities within a state. They are constructed and maintained by the state government. So my dear students, highways are of following kinds. National highway. So national highway connect capitals and other important cities, and quadrilateral is an express highway project that connect Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai, while state highways are the road that connect important towns and cities within a state. Now students, next mode of transport is railways. Students, railways are known as the lifeline of a country. The first railway line in India was led by the British from Thane to Mumbai in 1853. So students, in year 1853, the first railway line in India was led by the British from Thane to Mumbai. Over the years, the country has seen such a rapid expansion in railways that today India has the largest network of railways in entire Asia. As compared to other means of transport, trains are comparatively cheaper, comfortable, and faster. So, students, as you know that over the years, our country has such a rapid expansion in the railway that today India has the largest network of railway in entire Asia. And as compared to other means of transport, trains are comparatively cheaper and comfortable and faster means of transport. There are two types of trains, passenger train and goods train. Passenger trains carry people from one place to another. They may be trains with moderate speed that cover many areas, as they may be superfast trains such as Rajdhani and Shatabdi Express that cover long distance in a very short time. So, my dear students, the superfast trains such as Rajdhani and Shatabdi Express covers long distances in a very short time, and passenger trains carry people from one place to another. In Mumbai, local trains are the most important modes of public transport. In the West Bengal too, local trains connect the suburban areas to the capital, Kolkata. Today, metro trains are running in many Indian cities. Good trains consist of wagons and tankers that carry food products, coal, and petroleum from one place to another. Next mode of transport is airways. So, airways are the fastest and the most expensive mode of transport. All major cities have an airport. Despite being expensive, the number of people traveling by air is increasing day by day. Both helicopters and aeroplanes are used to carry passengers. They are also used to transport mail and relief items such as medicines, water, and other aid material during the time of natural calamity. There are two types of airlines, domestic and international. The domestic airlines carry passengers and cargo within the country. The international airlines carry people and cargo from one country to another. All the major cities of India have international airport. Students, as you know that train are comparatively cheaper, comfortable, and faster compared to other means of transport. Like here, airways are the fastest and most expensive mode of transport, and all major cities have an airport. There are two types of airlines, that is domestic and international. So, domestic airlines carry passengers and cargo within the countries, and the international airlines carry people and cargo from one country to another. All the major cities of India have international airport. So, I hope you understood about the airways. Next is waterways. Ships, boats, yachts, and steamers are the different modes of water transport in India. India has many rivers, lakes, canals, and long coastlines that facilitate the use of waterways. Waterways are the cheapest form of transport. They are suitable for carrying bulky goods. Today, passenger ships called liners carry passengers from one place to another. Big cargo carriers and oil tankers carry goods from one country to another. So, students, Waterways is the different mode of water transport, and India has many rivers, lakes, canals, and long coastline that facilitate the use of waterways. And waterways are the cheapest form of transport, suitable for carrying bulky goods. And today passenger ships called liners carry passengers from one place to another. Big cargo carriers and oil tankers carry goods from one country to the another. India has more than 10 major ports and several small ports. Important ports such as Mumbai, Kochi, Kolkata and Chennai handle the major loading and unloading of goods. Mumbai is the largest port in India. So students, India has more than 10 major ports and several small ports also. Important port of India are Mumbai, Kochi, Kolkata and Chennai that handle the major loading and unloading of goods, and Mumbai is the largest port in India. So students, these are the transportation in India. In our next video we will discuss about the topic communication, and I hope you understood all about the topic transport. Now you have to practice the hard words in your PC copy and learn the spelling also. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Thank you students. Bye and take care.